Today, I'm going to ask questions on OCV and STA. What is OCV? Why does it occurs? Anyone can answer. Are you guys able to listen me, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
we can
Yeah,
listen you.
yeah. What is OCV?
OCV is nothing but on-chip variation. It is mainly due to it is related to fabrication issues like gate thickness of the gate oxidation and width and length of the layers. This will affect on the timing.
Based on the
Hello?
PVT hello.
Yes, yes, so continue.
Mm. Based on the PVT conditions like voltage, temperature, and process, uh, the time it may affect our chip. So we will be checking our chip based on these three parameters also.
So I'm Ajay Gupta. In my point of view, the OCB is same like whatever the other people said. Like it's a on-chip variation. So this is the variation we used to consider only because of the PBT. Whatever the PBT variation we are getting, process voltage and temperature variation. So mainly we can talk about the temperature. So this is one kind of like environment effect. So in environment, how the environment is going to be changed. So temperature environment, like you can say like in environment, if temperature is increasing, decreasing on the basis of that, also we are going to means design our chips. So we can say like it's an environmental effect. So temperature only it is going to be affect the environment, but I don't know about actually how voltage and pressure is process is also related to it with environment or what, or how these things are going to be done. So as you know, this is because of PVT variations, but how uh, that process and voltage is getting vary, it's because of only temperature or any other environment effect is there, because of that it's going to be vary. Or as I used to know that voltage is varying because of that RC means what's you what IR drop. So because of IR drop, it's means suppose it's some cell is very far to the port. So because of the interconnect, there is the RNC is there. Because of that, we are getting some IR drop is there in that net. So because of that, the voltage variation is going to be vary with the different locations. So that is voltage. Uh, about the process, I used to know that process is like it's a switching variation, like how faster it is switching or how slower it is in switching. This is the process variation. But I am not sure on the process what is actually the variation in the process is. So in my point of view, this is the things. And I also one question I have that what is the difference between PVT and OCB? So some people used to say like OCB is intra to intra die variation, I mean die to die variation, or in a cross inside the die variation. Means I'm having confusion in this question. So some people used to say like intra die variation, and some people used to say inter die variation. So that is my question actually related to OCB.
Yes,
So
I know about that.
yeah,
Actually,
yeah,
you said na threshold voltage na. Suppose if there are two inverters, one inverter is operating at one threshold voltage and another inverter is operating at another threshold voltage. For these
okay.
two kind of PVT corners are there. This will be work at some condition. This will be work at some other condition. There may be chances like that day to day.
Sorry to interrupt you. Can I ask that it is possible that different iron water is going to be operate on the different threshold voltage?
Okay,
Hello.
okay, guys, please wait 1 minute. Please wait, guys, 1 minute.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Sorry for the inconvenience. Uh, how is latch up taken in the ASIC?
Voice is breaking.
Yeah, now are you able to hear me?
No,
Hello.
still it is the same. Hello.
Yeah. Now are you able to?
Yeah, no, it's better.
Yeah. Yeah. My question is, oh, how is latch up taken care in the ASIC flow?
Hello. Sorry to interrupt you, sir. Are we going to discuss about that OCP question I asked, or we'll do later?
Mm, we can. Okay. What is OCP? Why does it occur?
So, as I have discussed, so I have already told you what, in my point of view, what it is. But I had also some question I have asked. So, what do you say about?
Yes,
Okay.
OCV is due to the intra-die variation and PVT is due to the inter-die variation.
So, what exactly is the difference between these two?
I don't know whether it is right or wrong, but as far as my concern, intra-die variation means in fabrication process, due to some limitations in the process of lithography, we are getting this variation within the die. Okay, that we call it as that we are modeled is using the OCV, that is on chip variation, that we call it as on chip variation, and these can be modeled using the PVT conditions, and PVT conditions will occur from within the wafer they will produce a lot of die. So let's take they are preparing 10 die means 10 die, the what to say, the variation of the variation within the each die will get differs from die to die, that we can be modeled using the PVT. This is what I know. I may be wrong, but this is what I know.
I also think it is the correct only, but
Okay,
okay,
guys.
fine.
Okay, guys, please 1 minute. Actually, interview is left to actually network issue. Please wait 1 minute. We'll join now.
Someone is explaining
Who is there?
maybe why does it occur? Yeah, yeah. Come on. Continue. Hello.
Hello, sir. Can you please repeat the question once?
Ajay, what is OCV and why it occurs?
So OCV, I used to know that it's on-chip variation, and I used to know this is intra-die variation. So it's coming because of the PVT variation we are getting. So PVT variation in the sense because of the variation in the process voltage and temperature. So in temperature, we can say this is one kind of environmental variation. So in environment, our temperature is going to be sometime increase or sometime decrease. So on the basis of that, also our performance of our chip is going to be vary. So that is what we used to say. Because of that, we can get some more delay or less delay because of that temperature also. And there is like another temperature inverter concept is there. So leave about that. But the main thing is because of the PVT variation, process and voltage and temperature variation we are getting. Because of that, we are getting OCV variation. So for that, we are going to model the OCV, and because of that, for modeling the OCV, we are going to define some direct value, and we are going to balance this kind of thing. So we are going to fix this OCV kind of variation. So this thing I used to know, and one thing I have already you have already told that I used to know also that it's an intra-die variation OCV, and PVT is inter-die variation, but I was not sure what exactly it is. So this was the correct answer or not, a wrong answer. I also used to I also don't know exactly. So that's why my question was this only. So how exactly this both are getting difference? So that is what second question my second question is. The first question is like intra-die variation, inter-die variation, OCV and PVT. Another is what exactly the difference between these two. So these two question I am finding. So if anybody can help, they can tell.
So anyone answer? So please tell me. Gautam, Jay, Manoj Kumar, Narendra, Priya, Ravinder. So please continue this. Please continue this section. So anyone, Arun.
Okay. Yes, guys, that's better to be
Hello.
come in the discussion. It's not the thing is like who knows how much. So whatever you know, you can explain. Whatever you know, how much you know, you just try to means put that effort. That's it. This is not important that you should know everything. In PD, I think no one knows everything. So that's why whatever you know, you should come with that point only. That's better. This is the meaning of discussion. So you can come, guys. Anybody, don't be silent. That is not a better discussion, I think. So it's better to come with your points, whatever you used to know. So in my point of view. So that is the benefits of discussion,
For
I think.
example,
So
suppose if we design an inverter with 10 megahertz, if I design, but on silicon, it doesn't work at 10 megahertz, right? Because of on-chip variation, there will be some variation.
Okay, anyone? Jay, Manoj Kumar, Priya, Ravinder, Shahna, Shiva. Please continue.
Sir, OCP is on-chip variation, and on the chip, the delay vary across single die due to PVT variations, PVT variation, and there are two types: global and local. So PVT help us to define like maximum delay and minimum delay. And they are all defined with the help of like how transistor is switching. Like we have faster transistor switching, so we have fast process. We can say that. And voltage variation is a plus minus 10% voltage variation we have. And transistor switch.
Okay. So the So Durga Prasad, Shushma, so please discuss. So anyone know about this?
OCV is modeling the values, modeling the PVT conditions, and we are designing the chip by taking the PVT conditions like process voltage and temperature. Due to temperature, cell delays will vary. Due to voltage, cell delays will vary. So we are, whatever the chip we have designed, it should be work in every temperature, like Antarctica or anywhere it has to work. So we have to model our
Sorry.
timing or whatever the functionality. Hello.
Yeah, continue.
So, sir,
Model,
Sushma, sorry to interrupt you. This is not only its cell delay is going to be vary. Its net also is going to be vary because of OCB.
yes, yes.
Hmm.
That's come. You only said right. That comes under into the timing inversion. Temperature inversion concept also.
Yeah, correct.
Sure, we'll be taking these conditions into, and will make our chip to function at any point, like whatever the process which we are going to fabricate, it may be or may not be exactly the same process. Maybe any manufactured defects can be present, so we are taking that also into the consideration. That is one point. Voltage, whatever the voltage we are providing to our standard cells, it may not reach exactly the same voltage to the every each and standard cell in our design. So we'll be taking that into consideration. Temperature, see, one, if in a local region, maybe due to some congestion or of course we'll be clearing the congestion also in our chip. Due to some other variations, if the temperature is increased in our chip, it may affect other regions, which will be causing to the blast of the a chip. So we'll be taking all this into consideration, and we'll be doing the timing, clearing the timing concepts in these, taking consideration of these.
So, because of that OCB, we are going to define the direct value and we are going to apply the direct value in that design.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. For each and everything, we'll be adding the D-rate value, and we'll be checking whether our timing is valid or coming clear without any violations. If we adding the D-rate values also.
Okay.
Only-
You said direct value, right? Why we are adding the direct value? Why?
Because of we
Is
are
it
checking
mandatory?
for checking worst case analysis.
Yes.
To adjust OCV.
Checking?
Actually, tool gives without direct value, tool gives pessimistic values. I mean, optimistic values. With direct only, we can get pessimistic value. That's why we are adding direct to our analysis, timing analysis. Like already I said, the variations in the stage of fabrication, etching, and oxide thickness of the gate, these and all.
Yes, Sachin. Yeah. I'm going for the next question, third question. The second question you people discussed right already. What is the difference between signal transition and signal drive strength? Hi guys.
Sir,
Yeah. So, okay, I'm going for the next question. What is latch up taken? How is latch up taken care in the ASIC flow?
Means while designing the RTL,
No, not
Hello?
in the whole ASIC flow, where you will take care latch up problems.
Condition
in
in well
design also, while the RTL also we can take care.
RTL, okay. What about analog layout?
I think at
Over
PNR stage also, sir, we are going to means define tab cells. Where that also we are going to control our lecture problem. So tab cells is the purpose of that only. So there should not be any means That's a problem.
Yeah, Ajay. I'm going for the next question. What is antenna effect and antenna ratio? How would you eliminate this?
Sir,
By
antenna
adding antenna cells at the input and output of the design.
Who is this?
Come
Please,
again?
anybody? Sorry to interrupt. Whoever means
Sir, this is
coming into the discussion, please